welcome to my channel Ramya Jyotish. Today we are discussing on the very significant astrological period of Shanidev turning Vakri in Meena Rashi. That is from 13th of July to 28th of November, Shanidev will be in retrograde motion in this Meena Rashi, and this will bring some changes as well as some challenges for our world, for the whole world, as well as for our country Bharat. So let's try to decode it one by one. I'll be making 4 key predictions here. So let's start one by one. So before that, please do subscribe to my channel, and also please like and share the videos among your friends and family circle. Also please provide your feedback in the comment section. I'll definitely take it up. And if you want to take up consultations from me, please do refer to the consultation form link which is provided in the description. So now let's start with the first key prediction among the 4 key predictions. The first one is political upheaval and leadership changes. I have mentioned it prior also, but again because of this Shanidev turning Vakri, this is a very important effect or important change which we can witness during this time. We can expect some sudden and unexpected shifts in the political landscape, especially in our country. It will happen in the world also. 2 or 3 countries' president or prime minister may change. Also in our country also, there may be some resignation or voluntarily retirement of high-ranking official or any prominent person of a country who is depicted usually as face of the country, also may resign during this time or take a voluntarily retirement also. And the political scenario will witness some significant transformation during this time period. So this can bring some kind of upheaval in the politics, and all of a sudden this will happen. So from 13th of July to 28th of November we can witness this, especially when Surya enters Simha Rashi somewhere in 15th or 16th of August. That's when after 16th August is when we will expect this even more. So before September 16th and after 16th of August we may expect this to happen, because by that time even Guru also would have moved to the almost Aridra. He would have even surpassed Aridra Nakshatra, and he would have moved to this one Punarvasu Nakshatra. So it is his own Nakshatra. So we can witness this change during that time. And also to mention, because of all this, the whole political scenario in our country will give some sudden rise and sudden shift also. And this will lead to some significant transformation also. We have couple of state elections also. We will see some prominent faces coming up and becoming the chief minister of those states also unexpectedly, and a lot of political shift will happen in the next 3-4 months, because Shanidev is very important for democracy, and anyone who is winning from the public actually should have a very good Shanidev and as well as a very good Rahu also. When Shanidev turns Vakri, he actually makes Rahu gives his result, and now Rahu is sitting in that same Kumbha Rashi, for which main ruler is Shanidev and co-ruler is Rahu. So and there is some kind of proximity between Shani and Rahu. So this will also actually work in a very unexpected way. So we can expect some sensational news also in our Indian politics. Next, the second key prediction is regarding natural disasters and social unrest. Our country may face sudden disasters and disturbing incidents. Natural calamities could strike unexpectedly. Unfortunately, communal tensions and riots may also occur. These events could negatively impact India's image on the global stage. Okay, and this is what can actually bring some kind of headache or problems to our country, because natural disasters are something very difficult to sustain also, because we are already seeing the kind of mega spota or the kind of problems in the northeast and north region, because even though the rain hasn't occurred so heavily in those regions, they are actually getting troubled by that. That's what I had even predicted in Andhra Pradesh also. Even though there is not much rains promised in the north or northeast regions, they will suffer through landslides or through unwanted natural disasters as well. And that's what we can see. And north direction currently is not at all good to travel. So I would suggest everyone not to travel towards north direction, because Shanidev is turning Vakri in Purva Bhadrapad Nakshatra, Uttara Bhadrapad Nakshatra, and he will move back to Purva Bhadrapad Nakshatra somewhere in October. So all this Purva Bhadrapada, Uttara Bhadrapada comes in the north direction in Kurma Chakra, and that's the reason it is highly advised not to travel towards the north direction of a country. And as I mentioned, because of the Shani Rahu's close proximity, communal riots or communal tensions also will occur, and this may impact India's image bit negatively in the global stage. So that's also one very difficult situation to face. And legal and regulatory reforms. This is the third key prediction which I am making. So significant modifications in the rules and regulations are expected. Then there will be a heightened focus on justice and fairness in the society. We have seen a lot of crimes in the last almost 1.5 months, I believe. Since that time, Mangal has come to Simha Rashi and is in conjunction with Ketu. We have seen multiple murder, crimes, burglary, or all these scams also. We are now seeing that. So there will be a heightened focus on it, and there will be like many new laws will be or may be implemented to bring a stricter amount of discipline, and the justice system may undergo important changes as well, and many pending cases, especially like Mathura Janmabhoomi or even Kashi Varanasi's Gyanvapi. So these cases also may see some prominent developments as well, and there could be some emergence of some other very shocking crime also, or some unexpected legal issues also, which will actually bring some kind of disturbing events in our country. So this also will require some legal and regulatory reforms. So public will demand for that. That also we may see during this time. And the fourth and the final key prediction which I wanted to make in this video is regarding the economic challenges or the market volatility. So during this time we may experience a sudden slowdown in the economy, and stock market may likely show high volatility. Then investors need to exercise extreme caution during this time, and financial decisions should be made very carefully, especially when Buddha also turns Vakri, that is from 18th of July till 11th of August. Buddha is also Vakri, because apart from Shani Dev, Buddha is the next Karaka Graha for Vrishabh Lagna, which is our country's Lagna, and that's why Shani Dev and Buddha both turning Vakri, it is like both the shielding force or the protective force not in that good strength. They will have the Cheshta Bal, but they will not be in that Sahaj Sthiti that they will be able to protect the country. So that's why during this time for economy it may not be good one, because Shani Dev becomes the 9th lord and Buddha becomes the 5th lord as well as the 2nd lord. So when Buddha is having the prominent part of finances, and Shani Dev is that Bhagya Karaka also, and very important because he is sitting in the 11th house from the Vrishabh Lagna's Kundli. So it will not harm the economy of the country to a very bad extent, but there could be some kind of slowdown, especially in the month of July and August. But post September it will give wonderful results, because the 11th lord Jupiter will get exalted in the 3rd house. So that's a very good time period is what I can suggest for our country. So October, November would be very good, and at the same time even Shani Dev will return to Purva Bhadrapad Nakshatra, which will be Guru's Nakshatra itself, and Guru will have a direct aspect on Shani Dev when he comes to Karkatak Rashi. So we can see some kind of control and bullish market also trends we can see during month of October and November. But before that, especially in July and August, we may see a kind of slowdown market volatility as well. So these were my main predictions for Shani Dev turning Vakri for the whole world as well as for our country Bharat. And yeah, in the whole world also, because of Shani Dev is turning Vakri, we will see this political upheaval as I mentioned, and natural disasters, especially in the northwest side, because we are expecting heavy rains in the southwest, southeast as well as in the northwest side, and because we may see sudden changes in the monsoon also. And during this time, as I mentioned in my Aridra Pravesh video, we will have a cold or winter season to a very erratic way. It will be too cold than any years because Shanidev is in Jal Tattva Rashi, Gurudev will be in Jal Tattva Rashi at that time, and even Surya will be in Jal Tattva Rashi in somewhere in November, because like every year. So all the three major planets, when they are in the Jal Tattva Rashi, we may experience too much of coldness or the winter season also. This year's winter season will be very cold is what I wanted to say. So these were the key predictions or major predictions for the Shanidev turning Vakri. And I have taken into consideration of all other factors also, like Venus coming to Mithun Rashi on 26th of July. It is not a good position for our country Bharat, because whenever Venus has come to Mithun Rashi, it has affected the world affairs, and I expect some social unrest or some kind of disturbing incidents to occur after 26th of July and between 11th of August. So that's the time period I am suspecting it to be. But I just pray that nothing like that happens, because with lot of efforts our country's name is in a very good shape, and also our country image is in a very good way in the global stage. So it's good that it will be good if we can continue that, but if it goes hayway, it would be very, very problematic. So that's what I am actually thinking upon. So this Vakri period just calls for the patience, caution and preparation also. We have to stay informed on it, and we have to stay alert, and also have to make wise predictions also. Wise decisions also. And because these are like a transformative months, and during the same time, somewhere in September, our country will enter Mangal Dasha also. So that's also there, and Mangal is now controlling Shanidev also. So a lot of things are about to happen. So let's hope that our country will be able to sail this time period without much worries. So that's it for the day. Thank you. And